There are various types of fasteners. Threaded fasteners. Threaded fasteners are mechanical devices that are used to hold two or more objects together. They are used in a whole variety of applications, including fastening wood, metal, and plastic components. There are many different types of threaded fasteners, including screws, bolts, and studs. These fasteners are made by cutting threads into a cylindrical piece of metal or plastic. The threads allow the fastener to be tightened or loosened by turning it, using tools such as screwdriver, wrench, or pliers. Threaded fasteners are an essential component of many different types of machinery and structures, and are used to provide a strong, secure connection between parts. Non-threaded fasteners. Non-threaded fasteners are types of fasteners that do not have threads or spiral grooves cut into their surface. They are used to hold two or more objects together, usually by being inserted through holes in the objects and then held in a place by some pins, such as heads that prevents them from pulling back through the hole. Some examples of non-threaded fasteners including nails, pins, clips, and rivets. Non-threaded fasteners are often used when the objects being fastened do not need to be taken apart or when the fasteners are not subjected to high loads. Bolts. Bolts are types of fasteners that have a head at one end and a screw thread at the other end. They are used to hold two or more objects together by being inserted through holes in objects and then tightened using a tool such as wrench or a screwdriver. The screw thread allows the bolt to be tightened or loosened as needed, making it a versatile and strong fastening option. Screws. Screws are types of fasteners that have a spiral reach or thread running around their shaft. They are used to hold two or more objects together, usually by being inserted through holes in the objects and then tightened using a tool such as screwdriver or a drill. The thread allows the screws to be tightened or loosened as needed, making it a versatile and strong fastening option. Studs. Threaded studs or threaded studs are metal rods used to join or fasten two materials together. They come in a few thread varieties: continuously threaded, which are threaded the complete length of the rod, or with a stop at one end that goes into housing. Pins. Pin fasteners. A steel pin, usually cylindrical, that can keep machine parts in the proper alignment or fasten them together. Keys. In mechanical engineering, a key is a mechanical element used to connect a rotating machine element to a shaft. The key prevents relative rotation between the two parts and may enable torque transmissions. For a key to function, the shaft and the rotating machine element must have a keyway and a key set, which is a slot and a pocket in which the key fits. The whole system is called a key joint. Retaining rings. Retaining rings are metal fasteners that are installed into a groove on a shaft or in a housing or board, creating a shoulder that retains an assembly. They eliminate threading, tapping, drilling, and other machining operations associated with more traditional fasteners like screws, nuts, bolts, cotter pins, washers, and more. Rivets. A rivet is a permanent mechanical fastener. Before being installed, a rivet consists of a smooth cylindrical shaft with a head on one end. The end opposite the head is called the tail. On installation, the rivet is placed in a punch or a drill hole, and the tail is upset or bucked, that is deformed, so that it expands to about 1.5 times the original shaft diameter, holding the rivet in place. Thank you.